Vivint doorbell camera. I got a message that my camera had gone offline, and so the Vivint app told me to check my Wi-Fi, which I went and checked my Wi-Fi by looking at the other camera. The other camera outside was working, so I knew my Wi-Fi was working. So then it's this camera not talking to this. So right now it said to reboot my panel. So that's what I'm doing. I'm working on rebooting the panel right now. I'll put in some stills as to all the things that were showing me on my phone. And we'll sit here and wait and let this sucker reboot. And hopefully that's the problem. Okay, I rebooted the panel and now this is what's up. So next thing I have to do is take those cameras offline and put them back online. Okay, now I got to reboot this. So I'm going to push this. About 15 seconds, it chimes. And when it turns yellow a second time, I'm going to let go. No, I'm trying to reset the doorbell camera. I didn't see it turn yellow. We'll try it again. Kirby. Well, that was like 20 seconds, and I did not see it change colors. So let's go see on the panel what's happening. All right, this is what it looks like on the panel now. So it looks like both cameras are online, but let's push the button and see.
Come in. Come in.
All right, there's a live picture. It's back online. Let's check the next camera. Driveway cam, see if that's back online. Yep, back online. We did it.
Say bye.
That was easy.